Most VPNs work on open protocols. So it doesn't really matter what router you have, you can usually configure a VPN. So if you've got multiple sites, whether they're stores or warehouses or offices, you can configure pretty much any router to VPN to each other, right? Which is all talk to each other privately. The key reason you would do that is if you have some kind of internal resources that you want to share securely across the network. So it might be like one server that's running an app that everyone needs to access, or it might be security cameras. You want people to be able to see them across different places, or it might be that you have like one network storage device and that's got a bunch of media sitting on it, and you want different sites to be able to access that without having to use remote desktop or something else that can be a bit clunky. So any router, any network device can configure a VPN. That's pretty straightforward. Unify does make it really easy because they've got like basically instant VPN settings. So you can have each of them, you click one button and they all start talking to each other across whatever network they're on, which is pretty straightforward to configure a VPN. The other reason you might want a VPN is if you have someone who's traveling or outside the business and they need to dial in, right? And so a dial-in VPN might be someone who's a teleworker, or they're working from home, or they're just on the go and they need to dial into a resource. So that's also pretty straightforward to do. One of the cool things is that Unify have created an app called Wi-Fi Man, which is a bit weird. But anyway, it's an app that sits on your computer and it actually gives you a one button. They call it Teleport. It's basically VPN for dummies. Here we go. Cool. This is the mobile app because it works on mobile app as well. But it's got this feature called Teleport. And Teleport is basically like VPN for dummies. And not that anyone's a dummy, but it just makes it so simple that it's really easy for everyone to understand. Like you open the app, you click a button, I want to teleport to the office. And in the background, it's dialing you into a VPN. But it does this via a username and password. So as long as you're logged in with your work credentials, then the VPN is just automatically configured. It'll pop up and say, hey, do you want to let me install a VPN on your phone? You click a button and then the VPN's on your phone, or the VPN's on your computer, and it just does it automatically. The biggest part of VPNs is the management overhead of actually maintaining them. Some poor IT person has to go to everyone's computer and put in the details, and then if a password changes or an encryption key changes or an IP address changes, everything breaks. And so when we used to roll them out many, many years ago, we'd forever have to be troubleshooting and supporting them. And if someone's sitting there for an hour or two waiting for IT to help fix their VPN, or the VPN is unreliable, that might interrupt their whole week of productivity, and we don't want that. So Unify makes it really, really easy to set up VPNs, configure them, and then to dial in. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, itGenius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.